Test fixtures in Python are essential for creating maintainable and efficient test suites. They automate setup and teardown processes, ensuring tests run in a consistent environment. By centralizing setup logic, fixtures reduce code duplication and enhance test isolation, allowing each test to execute independently without interference from others. Test fixtures are essential for reliable testing, acting as the preconditions and setup for consistent test execution. They manage repetitive setup tasks like creating test data, establishing database connections, and cleaning up resources. Without fixtures, tests become hard to maintain, with duplicated setup code. Fixtures ensure test isolation, centralizing setup logic for maintainability. Tests without fixtures lead to repetitive setup, as seen in user creation, authentication, and deletion tests. Each test redundantly connects to the database, creates a user, and disconnects. This duplication complicates maintenance. If connection logic changes, every test requires updates. Fixtures streamline this by centralizing setup, reducing redundancy, and enhancing maintainability. The fixture lifecycle is pivotal in testing. During the setup phase, resources are created and test data is prepared. The test execution phase utilizes these fixtures. Finally, the teardown phase cleans up, ensuring no side effects between tests. This cycle ensures test isolation and reproducibility, essential for reliable testing. Python's unit test framework, inspired by Junit, organizes tests using classes with setup and teardown methods. It's part of the standard library, making it familiar to developers with an object-oriented background. In contrast, PyTest offers a modern, flexible approach with decorator-based fixtures and a rich plugin ecosystem, while Nose 2 extends unit test with additional features. In unit test, fixtures are managed using setup and teardown methods, executed before and after each test method, respectively. Setup class and teardown class run once per class, ideal for costly operations. This approach, while effective, can be verbose and less flexible compared to modern alternatives like PyTest, which we'll explore next. PyTest's fixture system offers explicit dependency injection, enhancing clarity and reusability across test files. Fixtures can depend on others, forming a dependency graph that PyTest resolves, enabling complex test scenarios. With multiple scopes like function, class, and session, PyTest improves test performance and organization, supported by a robust plugin ecosystem. Creating your first PyTest fixture involves defining a function with the apytest.fixture decorator. For example, a database fixture connects and disconnects a database, while a sample user fixture creates and deletes a test user. The yield statement separates setup and teardown phases. Dependencies are resolved automatically, as seen with sample user relying on the database fixture. Fixture scopes in PyTest optimize performance by controlling how often fixtures are executed. Function scope runs per test, ensuring maximum isolation. Class scope shares fixtures across test methods, while module scope is ideal for expensive setups. Package and session scopes reduce setup time but risk shared state, potentially causing flaky tests. Choose scope based on isolation needs and performance trade-offs. In practice, fixture scope impacts test isolation and performance. A function-scoped fixture creates a new user for each test, ensuring isolation. Conversely, a session-scoped fixture shares a single database across tests, optimizing performance by running migrations once. Select scope based on the balance between isolation needs and performance efficiency. Fixture composition allows for clean dependency management. By declaring only necessary fixtures like sample user and user repository, PyTest resolves dependencies automatically, instantiating the database as needed. This creates a structured dependency tree, database to user repository to sample user, ensuring efficient and organized test setups. Parameterized fixtures enable testing across multiple database configurations effortlessly. By running tests with SQLite, PostgreSQL, and MySQL, you ensure compatibility without duplicating test functions. Each test executes for every parameter set, verifying consistent behavior across different environments. This approach is essential for robust cross-platform testing, ensuring your application performs reliably, regardless of the underlying database. Factory fixtures provide dynamic test data by returning a function to create multiple instances as needed. This is ideal for tests requiring varied object configurations. The user factory fixture, for example, generates users with different roles and emails, ensuring flexibility. Cleanup is automatic, maintaining test integrity by deleting all created objects post-test. PyTest's conftest.py file is pivotal for sharing fixtures across tests. It allows automatic discovery of fixtures, making them accessible without imports. Place conftest.py at the root for project-wide use, or in subdirectories for localized fixtures. This structure enhances readability and clarifies dependencies, ensuring efficient test management across your suite. In API testing, fixtures like app and test database are created once per session to optimize performance. The client fixture provides a fresh test client for each test, ensuring isolation. The authenticated charge client fixture extends client by adding an authentication token, showcasing effective fixture composition for testing scenarios requiring user authentication. Focus each fixture on a single responsibility to avoid complexity. Use descriptive names like database, connection, or authenticated client for clarity. Document complex fixtures with doc strings to explain their purpose and dependencies. Opt for function scope for isolation, using broader scopes only when necessary. Ensure resources are cleaned up and tear down to prevent leaks. Database fixtures involve creating a test database with session scope, running migrations once, and using transactions for isolation. Temporary files can be managed with Python's temp file module, ensuring cleanup. Mock objects provide pre-configured mocks for external dependencies, enhancing test speed and reliability. Time freezing with libraries like FreezeGun is crucial for testing time-sensitive logic. Avoid fixtures with side effects. They should not alter global state or leave permanent changes. Over-mocking can lead to tests that validate mocks instead of actual code. Ensure fixture dependencies are declared explicitly to avoid hidden dependencies. Use fixtures judiciously. Simple setups used in a single test don't require them. Advanced fixture techniques enhance test flexibility. Use add finalizer for complex cleanup, executing finalizers in reverse order. This is ideal for conditional logic. Access test context with the request object to tailor fixture behavior, leveraging test metadata for conditional setups or detailed logging. These methods optimize fixture management, ensuring robust and adaptable testing environments. PyTest fixture caching optimizes performance by reusing results based on scope. Session-scoped fixtures run once per test session, while function-scoped fixtures execute per test. This caching mechanism enhances efficiency, but requires understanding of when and how caching occurs. For instance, an expensive computation fixture runs once, benefiting all tests without recomputation, ensuring faster test execution. Testing database operations with fixtures ensures efficient and isolated test environments. A session-scoped fixture creates the database engine once, while a function-scoped fixture provides a fresh session per test. Transactions roll back post-test, maintaining isolation and speed. This method is ideal for testing database interactions, ensuring reliability and performance. Start with simple, function-scoped fixtures to avoid over-engineering. Identify and eliminate duplication by moving common fixtures to conftest.py. Build a well-documented fixture library for reusability. Compose complex scenarios using simple fixtures for scalability. Optimize performance by profiling tests, adjusting fixture scopes to balance isolation and execution time. Debugging fixtures involves checking conftest.py for fixture availability and ensuring correct scope to avoid excessive runs. Use PyTest commands like setupshow to verify fixture order and fixtures to list available fixtures. Employ print statements or logging to trace execution flow, aiding in identifying issues like incorrect fixture usage or cleanup failures. Design fixtures to adapt to different environments, using environment variables for local, continuous integration, and production databases. Optimize continuous integration pipelines with fast fixtures, like in-memory databases and mock services. Use function-scoped fixtures for parallel tests to avoid race conditions. In Docker, ensure fixtures handle isolated, ephemeral resources for each container. Fixtures streamline test setup and teardown, focusing on verification logic and reducing duplication. Compose simple fixtures for complex scenarios, enhancing scalability and clarity. Choose fixture scope wisely for isolation and performance. PyTest's fixture system, with its dependency injection and composability, surpasses unit test, making it ideal for new projects. Mastering fixtures leads to efficient, maintainable testing.